Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Vibes, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising and exciting returns in the automotive world, the all-new 2026 Chevy El Camino. Yes, you heard that right. After decades of silence, Chevrolet has finally brought back the iconic El Camino, and it's not just a throwback, it's a full-blown reinvention. Chevy has taken everything we loved about the classic El Camino, its rugged personality, its utility, and its unmistakable muscle car meets pickup styling, and brought it screaming into the modern era. The 2026 El Camino is a bold fusion of retro charm and cutting-edge design. At first glance, it carries that unmistakable silhouette, long front end, a swooping roofline, and a short truck bed out back. But this time it's sculpted with sharper lines, aggressive LED lighting, and a front fascia that echoes the Camaro and Silverado DNA. It looks like something that belongs in both a muscle car meet and on a construction site, which is exactly the point. Under the hood, Chevy gives buyers some serious choices. The base model is rumored to feature a turbocharged 2.7L four-cylinder with plenty of torque for daily duties, while higher trims step into real performance territory with a 6.2L V8, the same beast you'll find in the Camaro SS, cranking out over 450 horsepower. There's also talk of a hybrid option or even a fully electric version in the works, aligning with GM's big EV push. And honestly, if they managed to drop an Ultium-powered El Camino with instant torque and zero emissions, it could turn into a cult favorite for the next generation. Inside, the 2026 El Camino is all modern muscle. Expect a high-tech cockpit with a fully digital driver display, a massive infotainment screen running GM's latest UI, and features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4G LTE hotspot. Premium trims will offer leather, contrast stitching, ambient lighting, even heated and cooled seats. But Chevy hasn't forgotten about utility. The rear bed, while not full pickup size, is surprisingly functional. There's also clever underfloor storage and a modular system that can adapt for tools, gear, or even a mountain bike. Chevy's goal with the new El Camino isn't just to capitalize on nostalgia. They're aiming at a unique sweet spot in the market. People who want the performance of a muscle car, the practicality of a small truck, and the style of something totally different from everything else on the road. It's being positioned as a lifestyle vehicle, perfect for the weekend warrior who needs to haul stuff to a job site during the week and hit the back roads for fun on the weekend. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but early estimates suggest the base model could start around $35,000, with performance variants pushing up into the $50K range. It'll be built on a slightly modified Alpha platform, the same one underpinning the Camaro, which means it'll handle like a dream, especially in sport mode, with magnetic ride control and an available limited slip differential. So the big question, is the 2026 Chevy El Camino just a clever marketing play? Or is it the return of a legend with real substance behind the badge? From what we've seen so far, it looks like Chevy isn't messing around. They've engineered something that hits all the right notes for enthusiasts and practical buyers alike. It's bold, it's different, and it's exactly the kind of vehicle we didn't know we needed until now. That's all for today's deep dive into the reborn Chevy El Camino. If you're loving the return of muscle-inspired utility, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Vibes, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive the new El Camino? Until next time, stay vibin' and keep those engines revving.